It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. Yo, YouTube, give me a break, man. Give me a break. Let me do at least 2 to 3 songs on each live stream. We got like 2 live streams that are just like 10 minutes long. Give me a break, man. Give me a break. You making it harder than it gotta be. We got 3 more left for the night. Give me a break. I only think I'm doing them overtime when I gotta be on YouTube with these streams because they're just brutal. They're brutal. I saw this streamer the other day. And freaking he really had like a methodology to what he would react to. Like he knew what record labels are gonna hit his stream. He didn't do comedy. He was like, comedy hits him too. I'm like, that's crazy. I didn't even think about comedy. He hit us once. I was like, damn. But I don't want to have to take those precautions, man. I want to have fun. I just want to dance. I just want to enjoy the time with the people on the live stream, man. Listen, all right. This is Jay French, Super Chat, 21 District Compressor. I appreciate you, Jay French. Big contributor to the channel. If you want to contribute to the channel, it's Moseefus on the Patreon. $, Moseefus on the Cash App. And Moseefus, just Moseefus, yeah. Moseefus on YouTube. But if you join the Patreon, you get access to the Monday and Wednesday list. And Wednesday list got rules to it. It's 25 when you join, and 3. There's 25 songs you can add to the list when you join, and 3 per week. But the Monday list, you go crazy. Just add everything you like to the Monday list. The Monday list is the one that I do the big shuffle from every Monday. That wild, crazy shit pops up on. But Friday's always live requests. You don't got to be anybody. You just have to be watching to live requests. All right, so 21 District Compressor. Let's check it out. I mean, everybody's a somebody. Everybody's a somebody.
All good?
But you don't got to be anybody to the Moseefus channel. You don't got to be a Patreon or nothing. Just gotta be in the chat. Y'all got cop problems out there too? Damn, I ain't understand that. I ain't know that. You know y'all police officer problems out there, profiling and shit.
Yeah, J-Lex. Still with it.
Puffin.
Yeah, nah.
You gotta jump over something,
saying,
homie.
hey, look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah.
Hey, karma.
Let's wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine or not off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get presses a compressor. Things get squashed. Wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
Just trying to put us on reels. But how can I complain when the papers they finally
put your shirt on with your rip
with
back.
The bros on heels. Tom put back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback. Malik and RG giving them chills. These days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, then I feel that thrill. Get far when I pop 2 and I observe and a lot. There's a big man drill. I love when a big man drills. I got those for anyone.
Record, yeah, nah. Machine or not off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get presses.
They start working out again. That shit made me freaking self-conscious, man. I ain't mean to rewind to see his back. I was just winding for the bars. That shit make me uncomfortable. I'm sorry. I'm never gonna be that grown as a man. Be a sex symbol on your own time, nigga.
When I'm up, then I feel that thrill. Get far when I pop 2 and I observe and a lot. There's a big man drill. I love when a big man squeal. I got those for any ordeals. From God, it just got more real when I grab that hottie and murk that, insert that, click that.
Now they're saying, hey, look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine or not feeling my preference of ops. My comp get presses a compressor. Things get squashed. Work like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
Oh my God, YouTube.
For the ballers, we back on set with the rest. Too much text, but they got no callers here. Like, who's on it? We on it. And I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorting. And if I'm locked, then I'll slaughter, brother. They raise the stakes and we call it. Come see me walk that yard with a fat or dab on the neck. We got bang for the set like me. We put fouls in the head on J's with J's, got J's on J's. Flash me cash, so I made you cheap. Movie is body harmful and needed, and left bleeding, and no patience, dog. Got no hard, no fallout. Guns out, backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, like flip that shit, locking it down. Swear I'm focused and earning, but if I do.
So first of all, YouTube, I just begged y'all, and y'all just said fuck your begging. I get it, but YouTube makes me mad. YouTube makes me mad. Damn, I became one of those YouTubers that just sit here and complain about YouTube when they're giving me a check. It's really hypocritical, but damn, I needed my own platform. I get it. I get it how it happens. I always wonder why YouTubers would be like that. Like always talking about YouTube. YouTube is brutal. This is mid. This is mid for RC drill music for me. This is mid. This is mid. I like it, but it's mid. That's all I was gonna say. That's all I wanted to say.
Talk that talk cause I cop that lock, little dog say look, still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, gang spray, all day shit, gang, load that clip and bang, bang.
Is that the same guy with the list from the other song?
So till I'm done, this shit won't stop. No way. Got soldiers out on roads and we got soldiers up in lock. I pray for the day that my whole gang eats when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touchdown in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside, if they want smoke, consider it done. Got bros in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1 all day. Trust that the jewels get done, in the PM when the packs get flung. Out on the road if you want to get some black time.
So he ran from car to car. I wasn't paying attention because of freaking YouTube, man.
When feds wanna take out the tape and press record, yeah nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference of ops, my comp get precious compressor.
What?
Wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
One sweep and I'm leaving a mess. Please so tough and you will get stretched. Right, how can I take them serious? They look up to cunts that I've pressed. No pressure, I run up all day. No Moses here, but I raise this stick. Watch all of these cunts give way. Ha ha, ain't no tactics. Only dons in the inner west traffic. Get got and it will be graphic. How about ain't got port on the catfish? Lad, I ride for the gang. Trust don't play in the 21 era. And if you take that chip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Tell mum you'll be back by never.
Saying, hey look, we
My
need
bad,
to
I'm
talk.
distracted, y'all. It's freaking YouTube, man. Blame YouTube, don't blame me.
Machine on the up, feeling my preference.
It's cool.
Ops, my
It's
comp
cool
get precious
song, man,
compressor.
but
Cunts get squashed.
I don't know what's going on,
sweep
y'all.
and they all get washed. Now chicks wanna go for a
I don't know
walk.
what's going on.
Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference of ops, my comp get precious compressor. Cunts get squashed. Wipe like I'm up one sweep and they all get washed.
All right, we're gonna end that one.